planner friends, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me for this week's plan with me. This week I am focusing on International Nurses Day, which is going to be on the 12th. So I went and I found some nurse stickers, and I don't think I'm going to be using all of them. They do repeat on the second side, so I can use them maybe in a different spread. But I really wanted, well, what I really wanted was to have like a cute, maybe cartoony kind of nurse graphic that I was going to put maybe like on the side. I tried drawing it. It did not work out the way that I wanted it to. So I ended up going to Hobby Lobby and picking a couple of these up. I'm also going to use some of the stickers from this sticker book, which I'm pretty sure I got at Walmart. And a lot of it is just black and white. There's also some silver and some gold in there. I'm not going to be using most of these, but I want to do something like little to-dos or don't forgets. Haven't really looked at all of these. Probably not going to use those. Maybe some of the check boxes I might incorporate into this spread. And then at the very last page, there are some bigger boxes, and I was thinking of having this just a note to cover up my notes section. I'm also going to be using these two washi tape. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. But these I'm going to do the outline of the boxes because they are really, really thin. And hopefully it turns out well. I really like the last time that I used washi tape to outline the boxes. I thought it turned out really good. Or, you know, like the lines of the boxes. And the last time, or one of the previous videos, I didn't do boxes across so that I can kind of move it around as I go through the week, and I can add in extra washi tape there. So, all right, let's see how this turns out. Let's get started. All right, so I am going to speed this part up for you guys because it took me well over an hour to get this entire thing done. And I really do kind of like taking my time with spreads because it just kind of, it's relaxing. And I really just kind of enjoy putting stickers down, and I'm trying really hard to get more comfortable using washi. But for the last couple of weeks, I haven't really been doing anything spectacular with it. I think the last time that I really liked using my washi was in the end of April spread. And the way that I did it was I had those boxes that were kind of all over the place a little bit. Like they weren't the traditional 3 boxes, and I really like that. I was thinking of doing something like that for this spread as well, but it ended up not really turning that way because I wanted to use the black and white stickers from that one simple sticker book that I just really never get to use very much. And that's kind of been my goal lately is I've had so many freaking sticker books that I just don't use that I'm like, I have to use these because otherwise they're just kind of going to waste. So here you see me trying to pull that sticker up a little bit because it is a little crooked. And these stickers, the vinyl, or I guess, are they vinyl? I don't know. They're like really hard plastic. They are really hard to peel up once they go down on paper. And I know everybody's been talking about this like magical, it's called Undo. It's like a unsticker spray. I don't know what to call it. I'm sure you guys probably know what I'm talking about. But I haven't invested in that quite yet. And honestly, I don't really know if it would work on the plastic stickers. So yeah, I just got to deal with the crookedness if I notice that I didn't put it down correctly. And here I'm using my favorite little notepad it's the grid notepad. And I got it from Daiso. I really, really like it. It kind of gives me the flexibility to do, random fun boxes kind of wherever. And it has a little bit of a background to it because it's on grid paper. So it makes it kind of fun and it gives it, a little more dimension. Because I didn't really find any fun boxes in my actual sticker books. And that's usually the trouble for me is I try and find boxes and I just, can't. But I do like this page of this sticker book. It had some fun quotes. So some of them said like, create your own light and show them what you're made of and be your best you. And I think that really goes with, the whole nursing field, right? It just kind of gives us something to believe in, right? One of the stickers I really like that I put on the bottom left, it's the gray one, and it says, lift others up and you'll rise with them. And I just absolutely love that quote. So then I went through here, you can see I'm just kind of pulling up little to-do stickers and the don't forget. I'm going to put that down in a second too. There it is. And then I used as many of the nurse stickers as I could. Some of them were kind of repetitive, so I didn't really use a whole lot of them because otherwise it would just be a ton of Band-Aids on this spread. I was a little disappointed in the amount of nurse stickers that were available at Hobby Lobby. Although I didn't find any at Michael's either. So the ones that I found, they were like the puffy stickers, and I'm not going to use those in my spreads because that's just going to make my planner really bulky, and I can't have that. It's already bulky enough as it is. So Hobby Lobby is what I went with for my stickers, and there were only 2, and those are the 2 that I got. I was really, really hoping to have like some cute, cartoon looking nurses, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but they didn't have any. And I searched for nurse stickers for a few weeks because I knew Nursing Week was coming up. And National Nurses Week, I think, actually was this week, which I'm recording the video. So when you're watching it, it's actually last week. But anyways, Nurses Month is the entire month of May. So I feel any week would really have been appropriate to do this type of spread. So I also tried drawing a nurse, and of course I Googled images, and then I tried doing my little tracing trick, tracing the computer screen, and it just did not work out very well for me. So stickers it is. So I used all of the sticker sheets on the clear. That's where that green scrubs came from. And I used most of the stickers from this other sticker pack. And kind of just put them everywhere. I'm doing a voiceover on this, and I didn't mean to originally. But anyways, so one of the stickers that I absolutely, absolutely love on this spread is the Best Nurse Ever. And when I was putting that one down, I was thinking about my friend Alvin, and he is the best nurse ever. If you guys know him, you know that to be true. So this is a shout out to Alvin and to all of the other nurses that I have worked with. You guys are absolutely amazing. I don't know what I would do without my nursing friends because they give me so much advice in my life. But anyway, so here it is. This is the spread. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the way that it turned out. I kind of do. Actually, I kind of really do. Mostly because it's a nurse theme. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.